How to supply balance at Nusa Lending Market. Visit nusa.finance and click Go to Apps. You will be directed automatically to the lending market. You will be asked to connect your wallet. Make sure you are logged into your wallet extension. Click on the token you want to add in the supply market. You will be asked to give permission for the smart contract. Click Approve. And click Confirm. After permission is given, click on the token you want to supply for the second time and input the amount of token you want to supply. You can input the amount manually or click Max to add all balance from your wallet. Click Supply to proceed. Confirm your transaction and wait until your balance automatically shown in the market. How to withdraw balance from Nusa Lending Market. Click on the token you want to withdraw from the supply market. Click on the Withdraw tab and input the amount of supply you want to withdraw. You can click Max to withdraw all your token from the market. Click Withdraw to proceed. Check your transaction and confirm from your wallet. Wait until your balance is sent to your wallet. The token amount will automatically be updated.